Hi kids! Welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn about shapes. These all are 2D shapes. Today we are going to learn how to draw a 2D shape and we will do the coloring and also we are going to write the shape's name. You see, this is circle, this is star, this is heart, this is cross, this is pentagon and this is triangle. So let's draw the shapes. Before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is yellow color. This is purple color. This is blue color. This is green color. This is pink color and this is orange color. So we are going to start with blue color. This is circle. In circle, we are using blue color. Now let's write the word. Read with me. C I R C L E circle. C I R C L E circle. Very good. See the next shape. Yes, this is star. In star we are using yellow color. Read with me. S T A R star. S T A R star. Very good. See the next shape. Yes, this is heart. In heart we are using orange color. Read with me. H E A R T heart. H E A R T heart. Very nice. See the next shape. Yes, this is cross. In cross we are using pink color. Read with me. C R O S S cross. C R O S S cross. Very nice. See the next shape. Yes, this is pentagon. In pentagon we are using purple color. Read with me. P E N T A G O N. Pentagon. P E N T A G O N. Pentagon. Very nice. See the next shape. Yes, this is triangle. In triangle, we are using green color. Read with me. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Very nice. We have done all these shapes. So let's repeat it again. This is circle. C I R C L E. Circle. Very good. This is star. S T A R. Star. Very nice. This is heart. H E A R T. Heart. Very nice. This is cross. C R O S S. Cross. Very nice. This is pentagon. P E N T A G O N. Pentagon. Very nice. This is triangle. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Very nice. So we have done all these shapes and we done the coloring. So let's repeat the colors name. This is blue color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is pink color. This is purple color. And this is green color. Very nice. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye-bye.